Greetings, everyone. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of persuasive speaking. Our goal is to simplify yet amplify your persuasive speaking skills by introducing a methodology that's both straightforward and profoundly effective. This isn't about swaying opinions from one belief to another. Instead, we're focusing on a solution-oriented strategy known as the policy structure. This method, devoid of personal opinions, centers on concrete problems, their underlying causes, and viable solutions. Let's explore how this approach can transform your persuasive speeches into compelling calls to action. At its core, the policy structure method is elegantly simple, focusing on three fundamental elements: problems, causes, and solutions. Think of these elements as a triad: the ill problem, the blame cause, and the cure solution. The ill signifies the visible symptoms or issues we encounter. The blame delves into the reasons behind these symptoms, and the cure proposes measures to alleviate or eliminate these issues. This approach emphasizes the importance of concrete evidence, especially numerical data, to paint a clear picture of the problem at hand. It's about framing the issue in a way that's undeniable and compelling, urging the audience to recognize the urgency or significance of addressing it. The discussion of problems is where your speech begins to take shape, laying a foundation of hard facts and evidence. Here, numbers are more than just statistics. They are a compelling narrative that underscores the gravity of the issue. This segment is your opportunity to present the audience with irrefutable evidence, setting the stage for the rest of your argument. Whether it's through percentages, dollar amounts, or other quantitative measures, the goal is to illustrate the scope and impact of the problem in tangible terms. This not only grabs attention but also establishes a factual basis for your subsequent points. Citations are the backbone of your argument, lending authority and credibility to your speech. This is where you allow experts to speak on your behalf, enriching your presentation with well-founded insights and research findings. For example, referencing a detailed article or a landmark study not only bolsters your points about the problem, but also weaves a tapestry of expert opinions throughout your speech. By aligning your arguments with authoritative sources, you ensure that your speech is not only persuasive, but also rooted in credible evidence. This strategy reinforces your message and underscores the importance of addressing the issue at hand. As we transition to discussing causes, it's crucial to illuminate the why behind the problem with clarity and precision. This segment is about connecting the dots, revealing how underlying factors contribute to the issue you've laid out. Again, the emphasis on expert opinion is paramount. By citing authoritative sources, you provide a nuanced explanation of the causes, lending depth to your speech. This section is not just about stating facts. It's about weaving a narrative that explains the genesis of the problem, making the case for why change is necessary. The pinnacle of your speech is the presentation of solutions, where your call to action takes center stage. This isn't merely about suggesting remedies, but identifying specific entities, be they institutions, organizations, or grassroots groups, actively working towards a resolution. Detailing your involvement in urging collective action transforms your speech from a mere presentation to a mobilizing force. It's about demonstrating leadership through example, inviting your audience to join you in a united effort to tackle the problem. The essence of persuasive speaking lies in moving beyond identifying issues to galvanizing your audience towards positive, impactful action. In closing, this guide to persuasive speaking through the policy structure approach equips you with a powerful tool for crafting speeches that not only inform but inspire action. By methodically addressing problems with solid evidence, elucidating causes with expert-backed explanations, and rallying towards solutions with a clear call to action, you're set to leave a lasting impact. Remember, effective persuasive speaking is about more than presenting an argument. It's about leading the charge towards meaningful change. Thank you for joining me on this journey to mastering the art of persuasive speaking.